Hi everyone. In today's video, we will see how to create a simple project report for class 12 Cbse project for the academic year 23 and 24. As per the syllabus, you need to start creating your projects from grade 11, and in grade 11, your project carries 8 marks. For the project, you need to implement all the concepts which has been taught in grade 11 syllabus. And in grade 12, you can take the same project topic and build on it. Plus, you have to include whatever new topic has been taught in grade 12. If you have to build it from scratch, to be very difficult in grade 12. So whatever you have planned for grade 11 and you have executed that projects can be used by adding new features to it, and by implementing and doing a quick research also gives an add-on for your project, like adding the GUI. And connectivity using SQL and files is a must according to the syllabus. So this carries 8 marks in your project. So for a good report, we need to have a good project, and for a good project, we need to have a good report. So I have created this particular project documentation. It is available. If you go to the description link, you can click and download it, and it is available for everyone. Thank you. This is the document which you can download from my description link. This is the cover page. This is the index, certificate, the acknowledgement page. You can have the synopsis. You can have the synopsis up to 2 pages. And under synopsis, you have to give the title of the project, the current problem of what your project is facing or the application is facing, what is your aim to overcome those problems, and how will you provide solution with Python programming language, and what kind of methodology you're going to use with Python programming language, followed by the flowcharts. Flowcharts can be very simple. Whatever we have learned in computational thinking, that flowchart, if you implement, that is more than enough. Then in the source code, you need to give this description of the modules which you have been using. For example, if you're using the random module and the random method, why have you used it for your particular purpose? If it's a gaming project, you have used to generate random numbers. Then you can give the variable description link followed by the code. Then few outputs, screenshots, if you can provide, that will be very nice and colorful. Then you can include future enhancements of your current project, which you can take it up later, followed by the bibliography. Bibliography can be books and online references for your bibliography content. Thank you. In the next video, we are going to create simple attractive login pages which can be used for any kind of projects, and a few GUI components which will help you to build projects. Maybe a few projects I can demonstrate, so it will help you all to build your projects.